Shahrukh, before anything else, can you please tell us a little bit about the Dawn's watch that you're presently wearing? It's definitely a spectacular watch, and I know that you've been wearing it for a while.
Yeah, first of all, thank you very much, everyone, and good evening. Thank you, Manishi. Thank you, Manmeet. Thank you, everyone in Tag Heuer. And as a matter of fact, all the time, all the watches I wear for the last 7, 8 years, and even before that, I've said this often enough, has always been a Tag Heuer watch. I do get presented a lot of wonderful other watches also, and as beautiful as they may be, but I think Tag Heuer itself defines who I am. I find it rugged, I find it cool, I find it easy. And it's not just a selling point for Tag Heuer. I just think it's a easier watch than any of the other ones. Others seem like jewelry on a wrist of a man. And I find it a little unmacho to have jewelry on my hand. And this piece of watch does look always cool, looks rugged, always sleek, nice, and you can do everything with it. You can be in a marketplace, which I often am not. You can be on a set, you can be swimming, you can be on a beach playing soccer with your kids. Whatever you do, it looks really cool. And for, like Manishi did mention, for Dawn, the first one, we had a specifically designed watch. A prototype was made, the Monaco 69 limited edition, which used to twist over. It was digital, and it had a telephone inside, it had all the secrets of Dawn, and it could even blow a bomb if need be. So this one also has everything. This is the Carrera that I used to...
the Grand Carrera.
Yeah, this is the watch that we wear. I just found that now when we talk to Tag, Dawn does not need a special watch. Every Tag watch should have a bombing button in it. So today the main announcement is whenever you buy a Tag watch, if you're able to put a bomb against bad people, not good people, you can always blow it with one of the switches. So yeah, it was the Carrera, and my association with Tag and for Dawn, who stands for all style and coolness and meanness, wickedness, and the quality that you can't kill him or destroy him ever. I think is as similar as Tag Heuer. So thank you, Manishi, thank you, Manmeet, and thank you, Tag, for making me look as cool as I do in Dawn. A lot of it has to do with the watch that you wear. You know, most of your styling and the dialogues happen because you wear a Tag watch. Yeah. I really believe that. Yeah. So whenever I spout, Dawn ko pakarna mushkil hi nahi, namumkin hai. So I feel it comes from the watch. So thank you very much. V4 rose gold watch. I hope everybody likes it.
In an exclusive edition of 60 pieces, the Monaco V4 Next Generation Rose Gold Ruthenium and Ceramic is a worthy representative of the Swiss legend that created it. In this new Next Generation version, the case is 41 millimeters and made of polished massive rose gold. It is most definitely a fitting tribute to their 150 years of pioneering information. Which is your all-time favorite Tag Heuer watch?
It's the first one that I bought. Which name I don't know, the model I don't know, and now it's the V4. I've always wanted a V4. Now I can, in the words of Thomas Hardy from Mayor of Castlebridge, now that I have a V4, I can pass away and die.
Now, between Dawn 1 and Dawn 2, which movie is closer to your heart?
Dawn 2 more, because it's more original, it's more wicked. I also feel I have out-nastied everyone in the history of mankind as far as a bad guy is concerned. And I like the dialogues. I just can't stop mouthing them, and whenever I wish we had more of them. So me and Farhana thinking, this time we're just going to write 100 dialogues and make a story around it. But and I'd like to say one. I'm sorry whether you like it or not. I'm going to say it. Dawn के दुश्मन की सबसे बड़ी गलती ये है कि वो Dawn का दुश्मन है.
And finally, how do you feel about having this Tag Heuer's most exclusive timepiece on your wrist right
This
now?
is awesome. I can't tell you, I don't want to be here on stage anymore. I want to go and watch this. I have to wear my Tag glasses and keep watching them. And I'm really going to play with this. This is the best gift I could have had. The nicest gift is that Dawn 2 people seem to like the nastiness. And couldn't have been a better evening to cap it with the nicest watch. You know, I don't long for watches. I'm not a person who likes luxuries in life. I just get them because I'm a movie star. But this is, I don't know, a luxury or not, but this is a watch that I always wanted. I'm very proud of it. I want to go show it to my kids.
Well, from...